Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Ninja NeverStick Ceramic Pro 10-piece pot set. This is going to be an unboxing video and a product overview. So let me show you what it comes with and how the set looks. So when you first open the box, you have your quick start guide. You have your lids right here, nice and flat. Very durable lid. It's see-through, so you can see on what you're cooking. It has like a nice little seal to it, so the moisture will not escape from there. You have your saucepan right here. It has the ceramic coating, so it doesn't scratch, it doesn't stick to the bottom. Made very well. Good handle to it. You have your little pan right here, your 8-inch pan. Same thing, all made very well. And here's your frying pan. Good handle. Nice little deep so your things won't spill. Another smaller glass top. Made very well. Here's your soup pan. Nice and deep. You see the bottom. It's made very well. Here's a bigger size frying pan. And here's the other frying pan. There's a good weight to it. It works well. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 10-piece Ninja NeverStick Ceramic Pro pot set. I like how well it's made and how many items that it brings. The lids work very well and they hold in all the heat when you're trying to cook, and the frying pans and the pots have a good weight to it and they're made very well.